So let's understand about the top 5 practical skills that will make your child independent and confident. Okay. So to start with that, I would like to first emphasize on the point like they should know some basic cooking and food preparation. So when I mean by basic cooking, it means like at least they can make their own cornflakes or sandwiches or something which is easy to make and they can do it. So but it should be age appropriate. They should know how to chop vegetables, how to cook, what are the basic things, how to boil water. At least they should know some basic things. Okay, how to make tea or coffee or milk, how to boil it, how to make a fruit salad or how to peel it. Something like a basic food preparation, they should know it. Okay, so depending on the age appropriation, make it effective. Okay, next is time management and organization. So when I mean about time management, let them understand the value of time. Okay, so it means that how they can utilize their time effectively. Every one of us have like 24 hours, so how they can utilize it. So let them understand those areas, like while studying, how can they study effectively? While playing, you allocate some time for them. They must go and play for 1 hour or 2 hours and come back. So prepare a time management. Okay, and what time they have to take a nap, what time they have to go out. So something like they can manage it effectively. Next is money management, definitely. As a child, they should also know how to manage their money. Show them what is investment. Tell them whenever you have some points to discuss with a child about what is investment, what is bullion market, what is stock market. Talk about investments in various areas. What is cryptocurrency? What is bank investments, fixed deposits, saving deposits, everything. So when you talk about all those areas, the kids will understand the importance and the how can they manage the money effectively. Okay, so that is how it is. And the next is basic sewing and mending. So at least like they should know at least how to stitch a button. They should know how to like put a tape or something. So they should know how to repair their own things. Okay, so that is the next point. And most important is communication skills, without which nobody can survive. So teach them the communication skills of how they have to interact with people, how they should sound, or how they should be like the how to speak, writing communication, oral, or like the facial communication. Just be as give them the opportunity to speak. That is what I'm talking about. Give them the opportunity to speak. So what happens whenever they speak, parents speak that they're not think that they are not correct, so then they try to correct them. Instead of that, let them complete their whatever they want to speak, and then you tell them that in place of this you can use this something, and teach them the polite way of speaking and communicating with people. And then so they learn from you. Basically they learn from you, so you have to set yourself as a role model. So whenever you go and go to a shop and speak to the shopkeeper, how polite you are, or how humble you are. How humble are you with your parents or neighbors or with children? So it reflects the same on your child as well. Okay, hope these points will help your child to bring more confidence and they will become more independent in the future. All right, and you will be rest assured that you have cherished the moment. And depending on the age, as I told you, depending on the age factor, depending on what is necessary at what stage, on what level they should understand it, teach them those basic things and your life will be fantastic. All right, sure, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a beautiful life. Stay happy and be blessed.